Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, today was a gentle reminder that this is the middle of winter, and we had that little coating of snow, especially early this morning, up to maybe a ½ inch in some locations, a dusting in most, but the snow is out of here, and now we have a beautiful, or at least a good weekend to look forward to. We'll get sunshine back, and temperatures actually beginning to warm back above normal starting on Sunday afternoon, and once they get there, they should be staying there for much of next week, which will include 2 rounds of rain. But the last of the snow has exited our eastern counties, but they're still getting snow showers along and east of I-65. They actually issued a winter weather advisory for that area tonight because of the slick roads that are developing just east of the tri-state, and the snow gets even heavier the farther east that you go, but none of that is heading our way. We are pretty much done with any kind of significant snow. Not much to look at here in our Superior Ag Tower camera time lapse. Gray skies all day long. We had a few flurries during the afternoon. After the morning round, most of the snowflakes were up to the north and east of Evansville, though we got a few raindrops or something there on the lens this evening. And the temperature has not budged since the dinner hour. We're still at 32 degrees. Northwest winds are settling down some at 8 miles per hour, but area-wide we're still hanging out in the low 30s. Those clouds acting as a blanket, but they should break up at least a little bit overnight, allowing temperatures to drop into the mid-20s by daybreak tomorrow morning. So as we take a look at the weather from coast to coast, the latest weather system, of course, brought us the hailstorms early yesterday and all that severe weather and tornado activity in the southeastern part of the country yesterday in the afternoon is now offshore. The only thing lingering are those snow showers off to our east. Meanwhile, another system barreling into the west coast with rain all the way from Seattle down to at least San Francisco. But in between, we have high pressure, and that's timing out perfectly for our weekend. We'll get to enjoy some quiet weather before the energy from that Pacific system generates our next rainmaker starting on Monday. Now, we still have the low deck of clouds out there, and in the wintertime, it's sometimes tricky in terms of how quickly these low clouds are going to break up. Our latest Future Tracker model continues to show some clearing overnight. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a bit optimistic, so we may have some clouds around first thing in the morning, but hopefully by afternoon, we will be turning mostly sunny, and it should turn out to be just a nice January day. Temperatures back to normal with highs right around 40 degrees and not nearly as windy as it was today. Tomorrow night will turn partly cloudy, seasonably cold, will fall down to around 30 in the evening. Overnight lows will be in the mid-20s by daybreak Sunday morning when we have some high clouds moving through, but Sunday will be even warmer. Partly cloudy skies, breezy. High temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50. And that means it won't be all that cold on Sunday night as the clouds increase. That'll be fine until we get to the daybreak hours on Monday. And of course, that's Martin Luther King Day. Some folks may have the day off, but it's going to be a wet one. Our latest run has a leading edge of the rain almost up to Highway 41 here at 6 a.m. Now, one of the other models just updating here this evening is a little slower with the rain arriving. So bottom line, it should be increasing after daybreak Monday morning and then slowly diminishing in the afternoon. Right now, not worried about severe weather. Our model does try to produce maybe a little thunder there with that final line coming through early in the evening, but the other guidance is really keeping things pretty stable. So not worried about severe weather. A rumble of thunder can't be rolled out. The rain should be ending on Monday night, but another one is headed our way for the middle of next week. Some clearing later tonight, 24 to 25 for the low, and then still some clouds lingering early, but we should become mostly sunny by later in the morning. Not as cold, not as windy. Highs of 40 to 41. Partly cloudy, breezy, and warmer on Sunday. The high near 50. Martin Luther King Day is still a weather-aware day just for the rain, which will be arriving shortly after daybreak, increasing in the morning, diminishing in the afternoon, ending on Monday night, a windy 53. A nice Tuesday, mix of sun and clouds, a windy 56. And the weather-aware tag is back up again for late Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night with more showers and maybe some thunderstorms this time with this system. Too early to tell if there'll be any severe threat with that, but the rain should be ending on Thursday morning, and behind that system, temperatures will be trending back to normal by Friday of next week.
Right.